Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS6 versus the Golf 8R. We'll explore their core differences, starting with their fundamental engine architectures. The RS6, a high-performance wagon, boasts a formidable V8, while the Golf 8R, a spirited hot hatch, relies on a potent four-cylinder. Both deliver exhilarating driving experiences, but cater to distinct preferences. Let's dive into what makes each of these German powerhouses unique. When it comes to raw power, the Audi RS6 truly stands out, offering over 620 horsepower and 620 pound-feet of torque from its V8 engine. This translates to a blistering 0 to 60 mph time of around 3 seconds. The Golf 8R, while less powerful, still impresses with about 328 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, achieving 60 mph in approximately 7 seconds. Both are quick, but the RS6 is in a different league. Beyond performance, practicality and price are key differentiators. The Audi RS6, as a luxury wagon, provides ample space for passengers and cargo, offering 30 cubic feet of storage, making it a versatile family hauler. However, its premium performance comes with a price tag well over $127,000. In contrast, the Golf 8R is a more compact and agile hatchback, with 20 cubic feet of cargo space, offering a fun driving experience at a significantly lower starting price, typically around $48,000. Your budget and space needs will guide your choice. Ultimately, the driving experience defines these two vehicles. The RS6 delivers a refined, powerful grand touring feel, effortlessly covering long distances with immense speed and comfort. The Golf 8R, on the other hand, is a lively hot hatch, offering an engaging and nimble ride perfect for spirited driving on winding roads. Before you decide, remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other fantastic deals. Your ideal car truly depends on your personal driving priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.